Hi, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Nicole, and we're with Chomp Nutrition. So today we've had a long day with the gym, and it's dinner time, and we're figuring out what can we do that's healthy and quick to eat dinner, and we decided to invite you guys to dinner.
Well, who doesn't like pizza?
I love pizza.
After workout too, right?
Yeah. But the problem a lot of people have with pizza is that they feel like it's got too much carbs with the dough. So we're going to do a healthier version of the pizza, and we're going to do what's called a Portabella mushroom pizza today. And it's going to take our carbs down a little bit, make it a little bit healthier. So roughly we're about 422 calories for the mushroom, or for the meal, and it's going to be about 12 grams of carbs with that 1 gram of fiber, 32 grams of fat, and 25 grams of protein. So great, well-balanced macros on that. And first steps first,
Preheat the oven.
always.
I always forget that part, and then I fix everything and I haven't done it. So I will preheat the oven and we'll show you how to get started.
So the first part about this is to prep our mushrooms. So mushrooms are big Portabella, nice, good mushrooms. We got these at Winco, great things, but they've got these gills in them. So that's the big part in it, is we want to take it. Easiest thing is we're just going to take a spoon and just clean out those gills. I'm going to get a paper towel here so we don't get it all over our clean baking sheet here. And we just want to clean out all those nice gills here. We have a few of them already prepped for you. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to just clean it out, get those out. This is where all of our yummy toppings are going to go. And with that, I'm just going to kind of work that stem out. We don't want that in there either. We got a nice clean in the gill. I'm going to take a nice damp cloth, just ran it under water. Going to clean it underneath here. Make sure we got all those extra pieces out, and then I want to wipe the back. And that's how we're going to prep our mushroom. We're ready for the middle, the goodies. Okay, so now that we've prepped our mushrooms, it's time to coat it with some butter. And so what I did is I just went in a microwave and melted a little bit of butter. And I'm going to take this butter and just coat and brush onto, I just got like a little brush all over and coat that really good. It's going to help kind of cook that nice and make it, this is our crust, so really good stuff.
So I've taken just some regular sauce, so you can choose whatever tomato sauce you like. So it's tomato and basil already, so we added oregano and it was garlic powder. So I'm mixing that up in it. Who doesn't like garlic? If you want to measure it out, you can, or you don't have to. So once Nicole butters it, I will put this mix in, top with our pepperonis, mozzarella cheese. Which one have you already done?
That's good. Done. I'm so excited.
This looks yummy.
I know. Good stuff. What do you think, Charlie? We got our assistant Charlie over here too, helping us out.
What do you think?
You look good?
Last one, Charlie.
This is also another time to kind of talk about prepping and food prep. So you can make more, and then you have some left over for later meals that are already cooked and easy to go.
Maybe that's lunch or tomorrow's dinner.
Yeah, so we're going to add that pepperoni. I'm going to add some cheese. You where you can make it to your taste. You can add more cheese. You can
Maybe you had spinach,
add different toppings
onion,
to
bell
it.
peppers. It's really up to you.
Now we've got our 4 portobello mushrooms prepped and prepared for the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. We're looking for the cheese to get nice and melted and those, and the mushrooms to get a little tender in there. So again, 25 minutes, and then we'll have some food to enjoy.
Alexa, set a 25-minute timer.
25 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop the timer. All right. Here we are. Crusted. As you can tell, the ones that like had the edges that like may have fallen off, the sauce has come out. So, but the one that had the good edges kept everything in. So we'll let them cool now. Right, Charlie? You don't want to touch it.
Luke is here. I'm gonna try this meal that Chomp Nutrition just created that looks delicious. Smells